If religion is a predisposition due to basic components of human psychology, and religion played a major role in the molding of our modern society, can our modern society be broken down to results of manifested products of the human psyche? Complex manifestations of basic origins is a recurring characteristic of things in our universe. It is the nature of the most widely accepted theory of how the universe came into existence. This Fibonacci sequence can be applied on any scale. For example, the transformation from our most basic psychological components to our most complex modern society. Throughout history, we have been the only species that has lived and survived in large, complex societies. But what exactly led us to congregating and cooperating in such large masses? In the academic article, Hand of God, Mind of Man, Punishment and Cognition in Evolution of Cooperation, Johnson and Baring explain how cooperation in groups started as a method for increasing the odds of surviving. But in order to maintain cooperations in the group, there needed to be some sort of incentive to steer individuals away from costly social transgressions.
Smite me, almighty smiter!
Curiosity is a natural aspect of human psychology that allowed room for the embellishment of the concept of supernatural being. Not only did it present answers to the questions of the world, but also gave the idea of an entity or entities to be feared, which has been seen throughout history to control masses of people. The use of fear as a method to maintain cooperation inadvertently produced the idea of the Promised Land. This is a naturally aesthetically pleasing idea which furthermore optimizes the incentive of abiding to the governing standards of the supernatural. Evidence to support this can be seen within the correlation of the ancient Greek philosophy, which commonly separated natural phenomena from supernatural cause, and the constantly warring status of the ancient Greek city-states.
This is Sparta!
But in other places around the world, many historically altering events were caused by religion and what countless people were willing to do for their religious beliefs. In fact, many pilgrims came to America in search of religious freedom. So if all this came from manifested components of human psychology, is there any other human universals that could have played a role in the development of modern society? Art is defined by the quality, production, expression, or realm according to the aesthetic principles of what is beautiful, appealing, or of more than ordinary significance. This is expressed in various forms and mediums. A few examples of these are storytelling, sculpture, and painting. And in many cases, art and religion go hand in hand. In Mark Turner's The Artful Mind, Cognitive Science and Riddle of Human Creativity, Turner explains how the human desire to express oneself creatively is one that we are predisposed to. So if we can accredit so much of our modern society's development to manifested human universals such as art and religion, are we really in control of our destiny, or is that something that we are also predisposed to?